The virtual Model United Nations Institute is more than an online summer camp. It is a world-class academic program that helps students become confident leaders that are passionate about global issues and can change the world.
So my daughter is a rising sophomore, and this past year was her first experience with Model UN. She absolutely fell in love with it.
Model United Nations is an educational activity where students step into the shoes of world leaders to debate global issues from the perspective of the country they're chosen to represent. More than that, Model UN gives students the opportunity to connect with their peers, build their social skills, and make new friends while having fun together. In just 1 week, your child will be transformed. They will gain confidence and learn about the world and themselves. Their everyday activities will include engaging lessons, fun activities, in-depth feedback, skill-building labs, and much more.
The program this summer was tremendous. I got to grow alongside my fellow delegates, and we got to know each other not just on the Model UN field, but as friends.
Your child will be inspired by and led by our Model UN mentors, who will provide one-on-one feedback on their public speaking and debate skills. We also offer private coaching sessions for students to get additional one-on-one feedback and guidance from our expert MUN mentors.
My MUN mentor is absolutely amazing. She has helped me develop my public speaking and made me feel a lot more comfortable speaking in a room full of a lot of people. And with that, I have developed a lot of close relationships with a lot of the other students.
Over the course of just 1 week, students will participate in practice Model UN simulations, and it all leads up to a final MUN simulation. Each week at the MUN Institute has different global themes that students will focus on, from gender equality and eliminating poverty to nuclear disarmament and United Nations peacekeeping. Students can attend multiple weeks to get a dynamic experience with different topics.
If you're thinking about signing up, you should definitely do it. The program is really fun and engaging.
The virtual MUN Institute has programs for students from grade 5 to grade 12 with any level of MUN experience. Our beginner programs start by teaching the fundamentals of research, writing, negotiation, and public speaking to help students become more confident leaders. Our advanced programs help students become award-winning strategic delegates, and our crisis program helps students learn about fast-paced and dynamic crisis-style committees.
I would highly recommend this program to other parents. The program itself runs so smoothly, and there's so many different areas that your children can get involved with and learn from. And the best part is they get to meet other kids that are like-minded.
Model United Nations will build your child's confidence, provide them with a supportive community, and inspire them to change the world. We'll see you this summer at the virtual Model United Nations Institute.